Hello and welcome back to Jucter. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting mid-range smartphones of the year, the OPPO K13 Turbo Pro. A powerful device packed with flagship-like features, this phone is set to challenge the competition. So, if you're planning to upgrade your phone soon, make sure you watch till the end. Let's start with the design. The OPPO K13 Turbo Pro sports a sleek, futuristic design with a premium glass back and curved edges that feel amazing in the hand. It features a 6.80-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, perfect for gaming, scrolling, and binge-watching your favorite shows. The full HD Plus resolution makes everything look sharp and vibrant, and the peak brightness of 1600 nits ensures great visibility even in direct sunlight. Under the hood, this phone is powered by the Snapdragon 8's Gen 3 processor. Yes, you heard that right, a flagship-level chip. Paired with up to 16GB RAM and 512GB UFS 4.0 storage, the K13 Turbo Pro is a multitasking beast. Whether it's gaming, video editing, or using multiple apps at once, it handles everything effortlessly. And don't worry about heating, OPPO has added a vapor chamber cooling system to keep performance stable. For gamers, HyperBoost 5.0, an advanced system, and dedicated GPU acceleration for maximum frame stability. So even after hours of intense gaming, the phone stays cool and delivers peak performance. Moving to the cameras, the OPPO K13 Turbo Pro comes with a 50MP primary sensor and a 2MP depth sensor. The camera delivers great detail, sharpness, and colors, especially in daylight. Night mode has also improved, reducing noise and enhancing clarity. For selfies, you get a 16MP front camera with beautification features, perfect for vloggers and social media lovers. Now let's talk battery. It houses a 7000 mAh battery, more than enough for a full day of heavy use. And what's even more exciting is the 80W SuperVOOC fast charging. The K13 Turbo Pro runs on ColorOS 15 based on Android 15, which brings smoother animations, better privacy controls, and smart features like Smart Sidebar, flexible windows, and more. You also get an in-display fingerprint scanner, stereo speakers, and even Wi-Fi 7 support for faster, more stable connections. With all these flagship-level specs, the OPPO K13 Turbo Pro is priced surprisingly competitively, making it one of the best value-for-money phones in 2025. If you want speed, performance, style, and top-tier features without spending flagship money, this phone deserves your attention. If you're looking for a phone with powerful performance, ultra-fast charging, and a premium display under $429, this is definitely a top contender in 2025. That's all for today's review of the OPPO K13 Turbo Pro. What do you think about this phone? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Jucter for more awesome tech content. See you in the next video.